Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am decorating and giving you an update of my master bathroom. So yes, my dear, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. To all of you, my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all the love, the support. Please stay tuned. In a little while, I am going to announce the last winner of the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. Also, stay tuned to find out where I purchased everything for this decor.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Give me that, give me that.
First, let me say a big thank you to all of you who have participated in the Amazon gift card giveaway. You are not out of the game yet. If you did not win, you still got a chance to win. I still have another giveaway going on. As soon as I reach 50,000 subscribers, 2 of you will be selected to win 2 decorative books from Amazon, a Tom Ford and a Christian Louboutin, value at up to $103. All you have to do to participate, put a comment below, let me know you are interested. Share this video with a friend and a family member or on your social media pages, and click on the link below to register. Without further ado, the last winner of the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway is first name Carla, last name begins with B. Carla, congratulations, you are the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. You are the last winner for this giveaway series. Congratulations. Please put a comment below, let me know you got this message. Many of the things in this decor you guys have seen before, but I'm quickly gonna go over them to make sure I cover all the bases. The 2 trays on the counter are from Tuesday Morning. All the towels in this decor are from Macy's Backstage. The diffuser is from Burlington. The soap dispensers are from Home Goods. The vase is from HomeSense, and the flower branches are from Hobby Lobby. Towel rings are from Amazon. Outlet cover from Amazon as well. On this shelf is where I keep my utilities, cotton swab, cotton pads, Q-tips, and floss. The 2 containers On the left and right are from Home Goods. The two closer to the flower are from Amazon. The flower is from Joanne. The vase is from Macy's Backstage. This is a DIY mirror frame. I have a video for it. I will link it in the description box. Super cute rugs are from Amazon. The candle is from Burlington. As I mentioned, the towels are from Macy's Backstage. I have a towel folding technique video. I'm gonna link it below just in case if you're interested. Actually, this one is really cute. It says, I woke up like this. The curtains in the middle are the same one I have in my guest bathroom. It came in a pack of 4. I have 2 in my guest bathroom and 2 in here. They are from Home Goods. I thought I would tie them up. They look super cute like that. The vase is from Home Goods. Eucalyptus from Amazon. Big greenery in the middle. Hobby Lobby. The jar is from Home Goods. Epsom salt from Amazon. This is the big mirror that used to be in my living room. Now it is in here. I really like it here. The wall art above on top is from Burlington. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bells so they can let you know once I upload a new video. From my family to yours, happy holidays.